Today, we make a real natural balm for boosting your immune system. This recipe includes apples, bananas, and milk. Apples are high in fiber and vitamin C, bananas provide potassium and vitamin B6, and milk adds calcium and protein, making this combination nutrient-dense. Bananas are a great source of quick energy due to their natural sugars and carbohydrates, making this juice a good choice for pre-workout fuel. Let's start the recipe. To begin, we need one apple. Take an apple and wash it well, then cut and peel the apple. Apples are rich in nutrients. Apples are packed with vitamins like vitamin C and minerals while being low in calories. High in fiber. The soluble fiber in apples, particularly pectin, aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Apples are also beneficial for heart health. Regular consumption of apples is linked to lower cholesterol levels and reduced risk of heart disease due to their antioxidant properties. Weight management. Their high fiber content can promote feelings of fullness, which may help with weight control. It's also beneficial for blood sugar regulation. Apples have a low glycemic index, and their fiber can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a good choice for diabetics. Apples contain antioxidants like quercetin and flavonoids that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Some studies suggest that the antioxidant compounds in apples may contribute to bone density and overall bone health. Our second ingredient is bananas. Take 2 bananas and wash it well, then peel the bananas and cut it into small slices. Bananas are a great source of essential vitamins and minerals, particularly potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. They are high in natural sugars, fructose, glucose, and sucrose, making them an excellent quick energy source, perfect for athletes or before workouts. Bananas contain dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation. The high potassium content supports healthy blood pressure levels and heart function, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Bananas contain tryptophan, which the body converts to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that can help improve mood and reduce stress. The fiber in bananas can help you feel full longer, which may aid in weight control. They contain several antioxidants, such as dopamine and catechins, which can help combat oxidative stress. Our third ingredient is milk. Take 1 glass milk. Milk is an excellent source of essential nutrients, including calcium, vitamin D, vitamin B12, potassium, and protein. The calcium and vitamin D in milk are crucial for developing and maintaining strong bones and teeth, helping to prevent osteoporosis. The high-quality protein in milk supports muscle growth, repair, and recovery, making it beneficial for athletes and active individuals. Milk is composed mostly of water and can help keep you hydrated, especially after exercise. Then transfer all these ingredients to the blender and grind them well. The combination of apple and banana is not only tasty but also can help curb hunger due to its balanced macronutrient profile. Milk adds hydration benefits, making it a refreshing drink, especially in warmer weather. Now finally, our healthy juice is ready. Pour it into a glass. How to drink this juice? Drink 1 glass every day before breakfast. After 1 month, the result will shock you all. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Share with someone who needs it and drop a yes, I will try it. Thanks for watching.